Imagine walking into a showroom and seeing something that looks less like a motorhome and more like an Aston Martin spaceship on wheels. This is the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome, imagined at $3 million. And wait, this isn't about getting from one destination to another. It is about turning the journey itself into the destination. From the first angle, the design is absolutely impossible to ignore. The body wears a metallic gold finish, flowing over an incredibly low, sculpted silhouette. A truly black panoramic windshield dominates the front, surrounded by sharp LED lighting and aerodynamic lines. Look closely and you'll notice the signature Aston Martin identity integrated into the front and side surfaces. Massive wheels, smooth bodywork, and shaped panels make this machine feel like a grand tourer that somehow became a full-size motorhome. Move around to the side and the proportions become dramatic. Dark glass stretches across the cabin, creating a futuristic lounge behind the exterior. Every curve appears designed to reduce visual bulk while making the vehicle look powerful. It feels expensive before you even open the door. Now, wait till you see inside. The cockpit feels like a jet crossed with a high-performance car. A wide digital dashboard surrounds the driver with clean displays, premium materials, and an exclusive atmosphere. The steering position gives you a commanding view, while the windshield makes the road ahead feel cinematic. Step deeper inside, and the mood changes completely. Warm, ambient lighting runs through the ceiling and cabinetry, reflecting across rich wood, leather, and polished surfaces everywhere. The lounge area feels like a five-star hotel suite, with comfortable seating designed for long journeys rather than quick stops. And then there's the bedroom. Soft lighting, finishes, and a spacious sleeping area create a quiet retreat. Imagine closing the door after a long drive and having your own suite moving with you. But the surprises continue. The kitchen is compact, yet premium, with modern appliances and integrated storage. Even the bathroom follows the same philosophy. Elegant, sophisticated, and designed to feel far more like a residence than an RV. Outside, this machine becomes cinematic. On the open road, the long body, futuristic lighting, and enormous glass surfaces create a presence that would dominate any highway. It is not about aggressive speed. It is about effortless cruising, smooth confidence, and arriving in complete comfort. At $3 million, exclusivity is part of the experience. This is for someone who doesn't want a motorhome, but a rolling world-class estate with an Aston Martin-inspired soul. And honestly, the question is this: would you spend $3 million to travel like this today? Like, comment, and subscribe for more rides. Because trust me, the next motorhome is even crazier.